Feeling drained by endless scrolling, constant notification, and that heavy brain fog? What if the key to clarity was not another productivity app, but with an ancient Vedic practice? Every Karyan faces this daily. You pick up your phone for 2 minutes, suddenly 20 minutes are gone. Your mind feels cluttered, distracted, and dull. Tasks feel heavier because your attention is scattered. Digital overload is silently stealing your mental clarity. Namaste Karyans, I'm Vanitha Ganeshmurthy Dgvg, your Vedic to-do list coach and the founder of KaryaSiddi Productivity Hub. Welcome to Vedic Productivity Talks, where we raise and grow 1% every day the Vedic way. Today, let's talk about the digital fog and how to clear your mind using ancient wisdom. In the Vedas, the mind is described as chanchala, the natural restless, but with the right rituals, it becomes sthira, that is the steady, focused, and powerful. Here are three Vedic inspired detox actions you can apply today. Point number one: Sandhya Digital Silence. During Brahma Muhurta and sunset, avoid screens completely. This transition time resets your prana and sharpen mental clarity. Point number two: Pratyahara. Pratyahara means that is the withdrawal of senses. Every 2 hours, turn your phone face down, close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths. This resets your nervous system instantly. Point number three: Digital Lakshman Rekha. That is the daily boundary. Set one clear rule: no screens during the first 30 minutes after waking up. This single change dramatically improves focus and reduces anxiety. These tiny rituals bring your mind back to sattva, clarity, peace, and sharp focus. If you want to reduce digital noise, sharpen your mind, and work with clarity every day, join the KaryaSiddi Productivity Hub. We practice these rituals together consistently. I wish you all to be very productive and have a great day. Bye. Jai Hind.